Hey, what's up, y'all? All right, so you may or may not have already known my birthday was yesterday. I'm recording this on the 4th because that ain't a holiday anyway. Yeah, I bought myself a lot of stuff for my birthday, and I am going to wear it today because I am not doing anything else. So I'm just gonna do this intro and just do the, play music, you watch me get ready type thing, and hopefully everything will come out looking decent. Fingers crossed. All right, okay. So I'm gonna play music and you're gonna watch me beat my face, and hopefully it comes out, it looks pretty. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, here we go. Oh, really quick before I get into this, I already put on the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. What do you call this? Moisturizer that I showed you yesterday from afar. I already put some of this on, and now I'm about to go in with the Fenty primer. So I've already washed my face and moisturized. I should have put on moisturizer with sunscreen because I am going outside to take pictures after this, but it's fine. I won't be out there long. So, okay, now we're gonna get into it. Okay, really quickly, what am I trying to say? I chose my shade in these Juvia Place foundations just based on their website and the description that they gave for skin tones and undertones, etc. I hopefully did a good job in picking them out. I initially chose Punta Cana and Casablanca. I ended up putting each shade on my well, I first started off here yesterday, then I did it on my chest, and then I did it on my face, and they both kind of look the same to me, but in the end I ended up choosing Punta Cana. So hopefully this doesn't look bad. It looks fine right now, so we'll see. Okay, back to our regularly scheduled programming. It is full coverage, I'll give it that. That was just one little squirt. As you can see, I don't have that much. I should have put it over this pimple. I don't have that much on my, well, maybe I had a sufficient amount on my hand, but she got the job done. That little dab and full coverage, no scent, which is cool. feel as though I look darker on camera than I do in person. In person, it looks fine. Just a little midpoint, what do you call this? Like a interception. Okay, I don't know anything about football. I meant like intermission. That's the word I meant. Anyway, since we're at this point, we're gonna do a little recap, if you will. I feel as though I look darker on camera than I do in person. In person, it looks fine. The secret brightening powder was a little scary for me. That's all I can say about that. So I had to go in with my Sacha Buttercup, which is a oldie but a goodie, to save the day. And then I used my Kat Von D powder foundation and Tan Deep to also kind of bring it on home. The sponge is from Dose of Colors, and I used a MAC Fix Plus to dampen it with. That's pretty much kind of all I use it with now because it sprays out so potently. Yeah, this was also a little scary, but I think I managed to get that together. So now we are about to go in with our brows, or with a brow pencil rather. It's the Brow or Later High Precision Brow Pencil from Mented. I got the shade medium brown, so hopefully that will look okay. I'm a little annoyed with myself because I started carving out my brows, and by started I mean I've done it twice, but it looked good each time I did it, and I should have been done that if I was going to do it. So needless to say, it's too late. So we're just gonna fill in the brows as I would normally do. Let's see if this brown, okay, yeah, this you probably can't see. Yeah, you can see pretty, okay. Should be a decent brown. So we're gonna fill in the brows and go back to our regularly scheduled programming. I have a mirror right here that lights up, so that's what is happening. But I do like to be close up when I do my brows. So let's see, there we go. I need a mirror so I can get up in there. Okay, so back to the music. I never use this. I showed it and then I stopped recording because I'm thinking that having multiple clips will make it easier to edit instead of having one long clip. That's my thought process. We'll see if that works. All of that to say, I never use this. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Whoa. Oh, fuck. All right. I was too close. Got me right in the face. That's what she said. Hold on. Oh my god, it smells so good. I got right on the cheek. Can you see? Oh, yep, that was my bad. I should have held it further away. Amateur move. Well, I'm an amateur. It's fine. Okay, back to Adele. Now, if you are not a frequent visit, if this is your first time here, this is totally out of my comfort zone, but I think it looks cute. If it don't tell me otherwise. Just let me have this. Just let me have this moment. All right, well, this is the completed look. I think I need some gloss because this is she matte. Yeah, this is cute. This is cute. Sorry, I just had a moment like, okay. It happens from time to time. Okay, so I'm going to find some gloss to put on. I know I have some right here. This is just a little Maybelline gloss. Just a little. So I didn't go with the red lip for once. I should get an award. Okay. She cute. Okay. So yeah, that's all I have for now. I have dirty hands and a beat face. I'm gonna go brush my hair and take some pictures in my bougie black girl shirt. Okay, I didn't do it right. There we go. Okay, just stop. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go take selfies in the hot sun, and I will see y'all later. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and until my next video, I'll see you later. Bye.